Hello guys, welcome to Tech Recovery IT Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 for free even if your laptop is not compatible with the requirements Windows 11 needed. So right now I have a USB key. So first of all, I will make this USB bootable for Windows 11 installation, and then I'll get back to you. So here I am on my laptop. It already has Windows 11. So we will install it on another one as well. But for that, we have to make a bootable USB with Windows 11 file on it. So for that, we have two steps. First of all, we have to go and search for Windows 11 ISO download Microsoft. So this is the link. I'll copy this link in my video description as well. Go down, and then in here download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Go and select Windows 11, download. It will come up with another question that which language do you want. We'll say English, confirm, and after confirming it will come up with this link. Now when I click on 64-bit download, it just start downloading this image which is 5.2 GB. So I have it already. I'm not gonna use it, so you guys should wait for it. When it's done, then after that you have to download another file called Rufus. Download. So click on this one and click on the first one, and it will start downloading this app. I already have it, but you guys have to download it and install it. So I will just open it. Okay, it's done. It's open. It's just when you open it, it's installed already. So now you can see the my USB is selected here. If I go out, insert the USB back, make sure that your USB is at least 8 GB or 16 GB would be a good option. So you have to select, and then you have to look for that image we just downloaded, like the ISO image. So I have it in here in software, and then Windows 11 64. Okay, and then leave everything default and start. Okay, it is asking me that your USB will be formatted, and I was like, okay, it's fine. Wait for it. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. When it's done, it will be you will get all this line green, and it will come up with the status ready. Then after that you have to cancel it, and it's done. After that, take your USB back. Let's just wait for it, but it's gonna take a while. So yeah, just wait for it. It's something obvious. When it's ready, you will see a message here, ready, and then you have to cancel it and remove the USB. So I'll get back when the USB is ready. Okay guys, so the USB key is bootable now. First of all, so let's turn on the laptop. I have to go to the BIOS menu. I just want to show you guys a few quick things, and then I'll start installing the operating system. So in my case it's Lenovo. I just start enter, click on enter, and it gets me to this menu, and then I click on F1 and it will get take me to the BIOS menu. So what I want you to check is go to startup. In your case, look for UEFI and legacy boot. So in my case, UEFI only is selected. Then you have to select UEFI only as well. Click F10, enter, and now the USB is bootable. Windows 11 is inside, and now we will see if my laptop is meeting the requirements or not. If I guess my laptop will be enabled to install the updates properly, like install the operating system properly, because this will meet the what can I say, the requirements. If in your case it's not like that, then I will show you in another video how to skip the requirement messages like PTM or something. So for that you have to go in the description of the video and then look for another video that will help. I think my USB port is bad in my laptop, so I have to switch it to another port, and then I have to restart the laptop, and let's say if that helps. So let's just wait for it. And that was an error message, but no worries, that's like the computer level message. We'll wait for it to boot up from the USB. Okay, so it gives me the option now, USB. Okay, go to app setup and go to secure boot and make it disable. Click F10, go back, and then wait for it now. Okay, yeah, so guys, you have to make the secure boot option disabled just in order to know if a UEFI selected in your case or not. You can use that method, but in order to install the operating system you have to disable the secure boot option. And now it's booting from the USB. Let's just wait for it and it will come up with the thing. Okay guys, yeah, so it's just spinning now. Enter install now. Okay, next, custom install, new drive. So you have to make a partition for it, format the drive. It's done, click next, and then now it's installing the operating system. I'll get back to you when it goes to the next step thing. So that part is done. It's just restarted now. The laptop is restarted, and then we'll wait for it. The installation is done. Now it will take me to the next step where I can select my language and set it up, like set up the Windows. The installation is completed now. We'll wait for the initial steps and I'll let you know what to do next. So it just moved to the next step. Yeah, and here's Windows 11. So click yes. Now it will go to and like the next step, go select yes, skip, and it's asking me for the internet. I don't have it for now. Continue with limited experience. Like don't go for any detailed options. Lenovo, so my laptop is Lenovo, so yeah, so don't keep the password. I don't want the password. Make it simple, go next, and then yeah, you can set it up the way you want. Hi, we are just getting things ready for you. Just wait for it and we will have our Windows 11 ready to go. Okay guys, yeah, so it's ready. Windows 11 is installed and you have all the features. Now just play with it around. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.